Guys. Okay, so we are in a state of emergency. The future watchers, old watchers of this channel, I have to warn you, there is an epidemic that is crossing this nation. It's in our front yard, it's in our backyard, it's right here, it's in the gyms, it's everywhere. It's a plague. It's something that we've got to address now. If you're watching this, I don't know if it's present or if it's further in the future, but there may not be any chance for you. I just gotta say, it's not the coronavirus that everyone's been talking about. It's something way, way bigger. It has to do with toilet paper. Hey Karen, it's Anthony. Anthony Owens. Yeah. So I work in the grocery department, and I just want to let you know that I'm not going to be coming in today. Well, no, I'm not sick. There's just like, I mean, I get like the virus is going around, and no, I'm not afraid of catching it. I'm just like, they say that like you should be. Take care of hygiene, and well, here's the thing. I've been to 5 stores after my shift yesterday, and I wasn't able to find. This is embarrassing. I wasn't able to find toilet paper. Yeah, I got a stinky butt, and I don't want to come in because hygiene is really important to me. Okay, that's great. Okay, thank you. Bye. Yeah, guys, there is a run on toilet paper. I don't get it. I don't see how wiping your butt multiple times is going to fix this problem that we have with the coronavirus. But, I mean, people are making a run on toilet paper. It's literally, the memes are cracking me up, guys. You're killing me with these memes with the toilet paper and the little baggies with the white stuff in there. I'm used to seeing the other stuff in those baggies, but this is great. It's a little bit crazy right now. Everybody's wearing these masks. It's crazy, but they don't do what you think they do. This isn't going to prevent you from getting sick. The flu, coronavirus, whatever the case may be, this isn't going to prevent it. This is to help, like, if you are sick, you're supposed to wear this so you don't spread germs. That's what this is for. So you know who you are. If you're out there walking about at the mall or like at the gym or at Walmart and you're wearing this, you're sick, you have a huge temperature, you probably shouldn't be out and about. And what's up with the run on these? Like, you can't even find them anywhere. I just happen to have some laying in a drawer at home somewhere. And then this is crazy. Like, I get this. This is super important right now. Hand sanitizer is like gold. Like, I have a big bottle. I got a handful of these bottles. So if you guys need to connect, like, I got you. I got your back. Like, it's only 25 cents a squirt. That seems to be the going rate in the community right now. So, like, you know where I'm at. Stop by BStarX at the store. 25 cents a squirt. I mean, I'll even do like as good as like 2 for 40 cents if you want to, or like maybe like 5 for $1 or something like that. But just hit me up. For sure. Real talk, coronavirus. In my opinion, and my professional opinion, I did a little bit of research. I contacted a very reliable source, and that is Professor Google. So when I got on there, I looked at how serious It is, and it's not as bad as everyone's making out to be. Let's be honest, the coronavirus is just a mass hysteria. We literally are experiencing a mass hysteria. We're going to look back 10 years from now and go, do you remember the coronavirus? Oh my God, everybody freaked out and they bought up all the toilet paper and hand sanitizer and water and all that crap. Truth be told, there's not nearly as many deaths on the coronavirus as there was with just the common flu. Is coronavirus a real threat? In my opinion, it's not. There are millions more cases in our history of people getting the flu. And I mean, it's a touchy subject right now, but we're talking about like hundreds of thousands of people more have died because of the common flu than they ever will because of the coronavirus. Now, obviously, like there's some things that you can do, and hand sanitizer is one of those things where it's like, all right, personal hygiene, take care of yourself, shower, use hand sanitizer. Like when you're at the gym, don't be a douchebag and work out on a bench or a machine and just leave it. Like there's sanitizing wipes and things like that at your gym, and if they don't have them, then like bring your own or whatever. Like do yourself and everybody else a favor, like clean up after yourself, don't be a dirty pig. So that's just one way that we can prepare for this. Another way is you've got to take care of yourself. You got to take care of your health. Now there are some serious risks for people that are elderly or young, or people that have autoimmune disorders and things like that, where their immune system is weaker than the average person. Like those are the people that really have to watch out for this. What I'd like to do is offer up a couple of options that may help you. Being that I'm in the supplement industry, like there's some things that you can take that will drastically improve your chances of death. I know it's not funny, but death because of coronavirus. Like, take care of your immune system. Here, let me just show you. Here, just come with me. All right, you guys are taking a trip. Let's go. Okay, so some of the things that you can do would be like a high quality, not your crappy Walmart, King Soopers, Costco multivitamins. Like pick a high quality multivitamin. This from Inspired multivitamin. Now I know like Inspired is like the Nike of supplements. Like they care about the ingredients that they're putting in their product. So you know like everything that's in here, if there was a choice between a crappy ingredient and a premium ingredient, they're going with the premium here. So something like this runs $34.99. It's a 30-day supply. You can get it on beastayever.com. We have them on there. But I gotta tell you, like just getting something like this here is gonna drastically improve your immune system and support. Now there are other forms of multivitamins too. They come in different forms. So like NutriOne's Vita One, this one's powder. I mean, just in case you don't like taking pills, you can definitely take this in powder form. Tastes pretty good. It's like an orange flavor. And then there's also, this is one of my favorite ones here. This is from Flight Sports. This is called Vita and it's liquid. But let me give you an example of how vitamins work. So you've got the stuff that you can buy at Walmart. Those are heat pressed. And so your body will absorb about 20 to 30% of those. You're not getting nearly what it says it is on that bottle. And then you've got stuff that is cold pressed, that's about 40 to 50% absorption rate. Then you got your powder, which is considerably higher. And then you go all the way down to like the Vita, the liquid form, where you're at like 90, 92%, somewhere in there absorption rate. Now, as far as other stuff that you can take to help with immune system and repair and support, stuff like that, you're going to be in your branched chain amino acids and EAAs. So I would be looking for a branched chain amino acid with essential, all the 9 essential amino acids, just to help with endurance and stamina. And then it also has electrolytes, glutamine to help speed up recovery, things like that. But most importantly, and what I'm finding about people that are getting sick or the flu, like electrolytes, it just helps out quite a bit because your body is helping to absorb more nutrients and absorb more water and stay hydrated. It's super important, guys. So that is it for today's video. I hope that it helped. I hope that you enjoyed the topic and the information about staying healthy during this crisis that we're experiencing. Guys, stop freaking out. Just stay clean, stay hydrated, stay like clean your butthole, guys. Clean your booty. That's what the toilet paper's for. Like, just take care of yourself, guys. That's important. Personal hygiene has always been super important. Just because we're in the middle of this whole coronavirus thing doesn't mean like, oh, now you should start taking care of yourself. You should have been doing that already. Maybe it wouldn't be such a problem with this flu that we're going through. I appreciate your time, effort, love, and support, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Get out there and do something epic.